Hey brides, welcome back. This week we're going to be working on these gorgeous blinked out champagne glasses. And if you like this shirt and you feel like you need one too, I'll leave the link below in the description box, as well as all the supplies used for this project. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow us on Instagram and stay tuned. So to begin our project, we're going to take our E6000 glue and apply a little bit on the base of the champagne glass and gently apply our rhinestone ribbon to it. And we're just going to go all the way around, starting at the very edge. And we're just going to apply a little bit of glue at a time because you don't want it to dry and you just want to work in small sections. So apply enough glue, I guess, to do 2 rows at a time, and then just add more as you go along. Try to keep the ribbon as close together as possible because the smaller the base gets, it will shift a little bit. But the good thing about E6000 glue is that it dries slow, so you're able to move it around as needed. So now that we're at the stem of the glass and this section moves a little faster than the bottom, I just applied the E6000 all around the rim, and I'm just going to wrap the ribbon around it. I got the rhinestone ribbon off of Amazon. I believe it was like $8. I got a roll and I was able to do 2 glasses with it. I do have extra, but I only wanted myself and my husband's to have the rhinestone trim, so I just did those 2. I got the glasses from Bed Bath & Beyond. I got 12 for, I believe they're $10. And of course, I used 20% off coupon. And all my supplies will be listed in the description box below. So this is the completed stem. And you guys can't see it from the way I have my light, but this is really blinging. Like, it is so pretty and so shiny. I already love it. Now I'm just going to take some rubbing alcohol and clean the glass, which will help get the extra E6000 glue off. And since I'm applying a vinyl decal onto my glass, it'll also help the decal last longer and adhere better. Now this is a vinyl decal that I made myself because I have the equipment, but if you would like this same design but don't have the equipment to make the decal, Michaels has those Bling stickers. You can easily order decals off Etsy. You can email me and I'll provide them for you. So what I'm doing is just I have it on some transfer tape and I'm just applying a little bit of pressure so I can get it to stick, and then I'll pull it off at a slight angle. Now that I have my decal on, I'm going to cover it in my rhinestones. I'm using glass stones that I purchased from the Deco Craft, and I'm applying them with my crystal katana. But the crystal katana is not necessary to complete this project. All you need is an item with a wax tip, such as a crayon or eyeliner pencil. Those will work just as well. I apply a thin layer of E6000 glue, and I'm working in small sections. You don't want to apply too much glue because when you place the stones on them, the glue will cover the stones and it'll make it lose its shine. And once I finish covering my decal in stones, I let it dry for like an hour or so, and then I came back with a Q-tip with some rubbing alcohol on it, and I just gently clean the excess glue off, like just using gentle circular motions. And you want to be gentle because you may knock some stones loose, but you can always just reapply it. And that's it. I love these glasses. They're absolutely beautiful. It took me about 30 minutes to make, and they're gorgeous. I cannot wait to use these for my wedding. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, guys. And until next time, I'll see you later.